Isn't this a fun pillow? And it comes together with a charm pack. The hardest part about this is laying out the squares so that you get a great pattern.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start with 2 squares, which is my top row.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hand that to you. It's just a 1/4 inch seam, Kris. I'm just gonna have you put that together.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna finger press this really good. Our next row would be 4 squares, so we sew 4 squares together. You have a little bit of an overhang here.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, and that's okay because we're gonna trim.
Okay.
So what I wanna do is I wanna just kind of nest my seams. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to then add this right here.
This is on point.
Yes, and you have these perfect on-point squares, and you have the whole center done on your pillow.